The Agent panel is your command center for call center work. If you're assigned to any voice or SMS queue, this tab appears automatically in your navigation bar. Let's walk through everything you'll find here. At the top is the Agent status bar. It shows your current status, available, paused, or logged out. Next to it are the bulk action buttons, log out. All signs you out of every queue at once, and pause all pauses you across all queues. The pause reason dropdown lets you select why you're stepping away, like break, lunch, or meeting. Below the status bar, you'll see a card for each voice queue you belong to. In this example, there's general support on queue 500 and Spanish support on queue 501. Each card shows a status badge indicating whether you're logged in, paused, or logged out of that specific queue. Each queue card displays 6 real-time statistics. Waiting shows how many callers are on hold. Available shows how many agents are ready to take calls. Agents is the total number of agents assigned. Wait shows the longest current hold time. Completed and abandoned track today's totals. These numbers update automatically every few seconds. At the bottom of each card are per queue controls. You can log in or out of individual queues without affecting the others, and pause or unpause yourself on a single queue with an optional reason code. This gives you fine-grained control over which queues you're available for. Below the voice queues, you'll find the SMS Queues section. These work just like voice queues, but for text message conversations. You can log in, pause, and unpause independently from your voice queue status. A badge shows how many SMS conversations are waiting to be claimed. If your queue has Cloudspire Assist enabled, you'll see the AI coaching panel at the very top of the Agent tab. During a live call, it displays a real-time transcript and provides guidance to help you handle the conversation effectively. It appears automatically when a queue call connects. The Today's Performance section tracks your personal metrics for the day. You'll see calls handled, total talk time, average call duration, how long you've been logged in, time spent available, and time spent paused. A session timer at the bottom shows how long your current login session has been active. That's your complete Agent panel, everything you need to manage your queue work in one place.